Oh, look at this nasty padding. It's disgusting. AKG have some awesome headphones, but their foam padding is crap, especially in hot weather like we have in Israel. In less than a year, this stuff is crumbling all over my ear. Luckily, it's easy to buy and replace these yourself. Just make sure to remove the remains of old padding before you install these. Another quick tip: if your AKG headphones battery isn't like it used to be, you can easily replace that too. The headphones battery is on the left side under 4 simple screws. If you replace the padding, it is a good opportunity to replace the battery as well. I made it easy for you and put both product links in this video description.